Hi, Rebecca Paris. I'm the founder and managing director of Australian Native Food Co. It's about how can I support people here, the farmers, the growers and community to support our circular economy in Australia. Just sharing the love of native foods and embracing what we've got here in our own backyard.
My name is Jason Kimber. We run a company called Solutions to Success, and we specialise in Zoho products. So that's our passion, particularly around streamlining and automating business processes for customers, for our clients. We're very proactive with our support. We like to build relationships with our clients, so we meet with them regularly, making sure that they're getting the most from their Zoho investment. So we don't like to wait for clients to always contact us and tell us what they need. We always like to be on the front foot and give them that proactive support.
Meeting Jason and Zoho One, it's been absolutely fantastic. So it's given me the confidence in running my business with using the CRM. And it's been amazing because Jason isn't just a partner that just sits over there. Whenever I need him or I'm stuck on something, I'll give him a call or a message. He'll respond straight away. We meet up quite a bit as well. So he actually goes through the system and trains me in different areas. I like to understand systems and I like to do a lot of the stuff myself instead of always relying on someone because I work quite late hours or odd hours. So Jason's actually empowered me, and it's something that I like to do with my staff as well, but to have the confidence to use Zoho to its fullest capabilities.
I would call Rebecca the ultimate entrepreneur. She just loves to find other ways to make money within what she's doing. And because she was using spreadsheets and whiteboards, she contacted us, referred by another client, because she wanted to streamline those processes for herself, but also make sure the collaboration was there with her staff. So they also had exposure to her databases, her clients, and the networks that she was developing. So I recommended to her using CRM initially, and she absolutely loves CRM to this day.
We've got lots of different processes that we run day to day. So there's quite a few different segments we work within the business. So one of the segments is business development. So calling all the leads, closing deals, using software and everything to be able to capitalize that. So that's one segment. The other segment is we've got marketing, advertising, the daily operations, staff, rostering, payroll. That more comes back towards what I do, a lot of planning. So I work quite closely with our operations manager. We also have warehouse staff that do all of our packaging, help with our cooking, labelling, and then it's how can we bring all of that together to get the product to the customer and the market. So there's quite a few different segments within what we do on a day-to-day basis. Prior to using Zoho One, we faced a lot of challenges in relation to flow updates, not having automatic reminders, not being able to track what was ordered when we called them last, when they received emails. So it was all everywhere and there wasn't one set thing. So we were missing things, we were missing customers, we weren't following up, and it was just a big schmozzle, so to speak.
Rebecca being an entrepreneur, she had multiple businesses. So we had to work in a very agile way because Rebecca is she's very passionate about what she does, and she wanted to move very quickly. She didn't want a long implementation period, like weeks and months. She wanted to start using the system straight away. Virtually straight away. So after we met with her, we formulated a bit of a plan together, met with her multiple occasions of how we can get her up and running quickly. So we had to do it in a very agile way. So first of all was getting her databases into CRM. So we recommended Zoho One because she also wanted to look after her social media and campaigns. So we needed to get the database in so they could be easily contacted, and also so she can keep growing a database through social media and sending out email campaigns.
So under Zoho subscription, I use obviously the CRM, which is absolutely amazing. The other one I use are the campaigns. So campaigns have been fantastic because I'll send out a campaign to the different group of people that I know need. The other one that I use is socials. So I create all of my content up to 6 months in advance. And then I'm always adding little things, and I'm using it through all my LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, or X now. So I actually post everything. So it's all automated. So I'll spend 1 or 2 days a month doing all my content creation, post it, and then it relieves all my stress for the rest of the month. Since integrating Zoho One into my everyday operations, from when we started, we had about 10 customers that were working with wholesale. Now we've got 140 rotating, so we've got customers coming in and out. So we can track exactly what they're doing and how they're doing it, knowing that they're on a call cycle so that we're never missing any of the calls and that we're making sure that we're always looking after the customers. So it's fantastic from that side of it where my staff members aren't missing things. So for me to be able to track, scale and grow is one of the biggest things, especially using the CRM. We currently run about 6,000 people on our database. And with that, you know, we're accumulating business cards or when we're out at networking events or anything of that sort. So they all go into our system. And then when we're using our campaigns, and we're hitting each one of those 6,000 customers, if we get a return of 1% actually placing an order every single time that we do an email blast out, is that 1% that we didn't have that's actually growing our business organically and helping us reach those next pointers.
She was up and running using the systems probably within the first week. And she was happy with that because she could just go out and she saw results straight away. So she started to achieve success with what she wanted to do with the systems. The vision I have for her is, so she's currently using Xero. We would like to move her towards using Zoho Books, because Zoho Books, she can run multiple businesses within the same login, and it's a much better system to, well, we feel it's a much better system to use than Xero, particularly considering she's using all the other applications. So they're going to connect together perfectly, and we really believe that will further streamline her business. So that's one thing, using Zoho Books. Other thing too we're going to be moving towards is using inventory management for our Australian native food products. So that's a big one. She wants to start using chatbots for her website. So we're going to build those chatbots for her, but we're going to go that one step further because she loves AI, and so do we. We want to incorporate AI into the chatbots and into her other Zoho applications as well.
Just like Australian Native Food Co being your one-stop native shop, Zoho One's your one-stop for all your business solutions.